Hello, bakers. I'm Henry Hunter, founder of Crust Crumb Academy. I'll be your guide to better bread, so welcome aboard. One of the features we have here in the Academy is our Saturday Bake-Along, and I thought I'd take a moment to share with you how it works so you can start participating with us and hit the ground running. Let's get into it. Our culture here in the Academy is a little different than what you might be accustomed to on social media. Bakers don't come here to get likes. They come here to get better. We're growing fast, but we're not out of control. We planned for this. We're closing in on 1,000 members now. And the Academy isn't a class where you just sit and watch. It's not a place where I hand you a recipe and say good luck. It's a community you bake with. First loaf, 1,000th loaf, doesn't matter. There's a spot for you here. Every recipe we run has 3 paths. Sourdough, if you're feeding a starter, commercial yeast if you're not, or a hybrid with a poolish or pre-ferment for that deeper flavor. You pick what fits your week. Here's how it works. We build all week towards Saturday. The why, the flour, the method. By the time the thread opens, you're not guessing. You know exactly what you're walking into. Saturday around 7 Eastern, the thread goes live. People come in with coffee. Just feeding my starter. Poolish smells amazing. Then we bake, all day, at your own pace. I'm there to answer questions, but the truth is, this community runs itself now. Everything I do for you is intentional, designed to help you discover the joy and satisfaction of understanding the why behind what works. Once you've got that, you're miles ahead of any baker trying to figure it out alone. That's what you're getting. Muscle memory you can feel in your hands. Breads you'd never try on your own. Other people's discoveries become yours, so you skip the mistake. Real understanding, not just recipes. And don't take my word for any of it. We're ProveWorth certified, 5 stars. Those are real members talking about what they got out of being here. So here's the move. Watch the thread. Pick your path. Bake along Saturday. Post a photo. Then come back next week and build on it. It's a little like a soap opera. Show up, you're right in the middle of things. Nobody gets left behind. Perfection is not required. Progress is. Come bake with us.